Quack.
Oh no, what are you doing here?
Thought I cooked my goose, eh? Is that any way to greet your long-lost feather? Father.
Oh, your father? Ugliness certainly does run in the family.
He's not my father, don't listen to him.
He's overcome. Son, hug your daddy. Your mother and I have been worried sick.
Don't let him near me. Does he look like a duck?
Well, now, dear, folks live in glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Or something like that.
He's a cat.
He's overcome. Children will have their fun. I'm sorry if he's caused you any inconvenience, and I am most grateful you've kept him all in one piece. Come along, Ducky. Thank the nice poultry for looking after you.
He's a cat, I tell you. A sly, treacherous, double-crossing,
Hungry.
no good, conniving tomcat.
It's no use, the line's busy.
Well, hello.
Mercy, another duck. Haven't you got a pond to go to?
Meow.
Shouldn't you be getting back? Said his mother was sick with worry.
Meow, meow.
I told you he was a tomcat.
A tomcat.
Queenie, don't get any funny ideas. We have the arrangement, don't forget. Oh no! They'll be dead before bedtime!
Madam, I'd be honored, though I'm not of your ilk, if we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk.
Sir, I'd be delighted, though it's true, you're a scruff. But when one's had things easy, one likes a bit of rough.
You loose cat!
Meow.
Together on the tiles we will potter. Together we will sit on garden walks. Together we will make moves in potter.
Together, you'll be throwing up for balls.
Together, we will build ourselves a cat lab. Together, after dark we'll violin.
Together we will snuggle for a nap.
Together, you'll could string a violin. Have you forgotten, dear? The clinic has confirmed that they can fit you in. You need to be dewormed, and with your last attack, you nearly filled a sack, so maybe you should go. It's only fair to say that she's rather prone to carry parasites. Her fur is not her own, and on the hygiene front, to be both frank and blunt, it's better you don't know. Although I don't wish to gripe, I don't think she'd be your type.
Together we will sing our Rockets chorus. Together we will sing our favorite kiss. Together we will conquer all before us.
Together, you could rid her of her fleas. You have to help me out, it's looking pretty grim. What will become of me if she should go with him? She's gone all gooey-eyed, and I am terrified she'll leave me on the shelf. Well, go on then, run! Oh dear, alas, alas, the door was left ajar. The duckling has escaped, he won't have gone that far. If you start making traps, you're bound to hear his quack and catch him for yourself. Don't let us delay your trip, he'll soon be within your grip. Honk.